Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is July the 11th, and the chart for the day today is the Nvidia NVDA over here. So here is a 45-minute chart, which is basically the same as the 1 hour, and we are looking to extend higher to finish this with 5 in the minute degree, which technically we do have enough number of swing. More or less, we should be getting very close to finishing that with 5. Could be finished any moment, to be honest, right? And so I think the idea here is, I think it's quite risky to keep chasing the upside, in my opinion. And of course, you shouldn't try to sell because it's all-time high, right? But I think buying is not the best idea at this point in time, and better wait for the bigger pullback before you look to buy in the dips again. Now if I zoom out, focusing on this 3-4 in the black here, this is the 3-4, and this is basically the 1-2. Now from the bigger perspective, you can see we bottom here, which is the post tariff announcement, and then we rally to new high, and you can see that from this structure here, there are many different ways you can try to label the move, right? But at the least, at minimum, I would say, you would have to say, at minimum, you would label it this way: 1, 2, and then now ending 3. And that is at minimum, because if I want to, we could also do it this way. We could try to label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already, right? So in other words, you can, if it is a 5 ways up completed, then you get a much bigger pullback. When it is complete, you see something like this: 1, 2, 3 at least, correcting this entire rally, right? But that's why I said at minimum we should be calling it ending with 3 from here, right? And even if it is ending with 3, you will still get a bigger pullback, right? A larger degree pullback this size can happen very soon, anytime, in 3 waves, right? Something like this. So typically a wave 4 should be around 23.6, 38.2% retracement of this entire move. So this will be in the 1 and 2, and then now the question is, we should be at minimum 3, or it could be even a 5. And let's assume a 3 to be in a more bullish scenario. It doesn't matter. You should be getting a larger degree pullback, even if it is ending a 3 from the April 7 low. So shorter cycle, then yes, we could see more upside. Is it worth it for you to keep chasing? When you look at the 4 hour, how extended this is, probably it's not worth it to me. Yes, you might get a little bit profit here and there, but eventually we should be getting very close to a larger degree pullback at minimum with 4, if not the entire correction of this rally, right? So as a result, I think it is time to be careful now, in my opinion, and yeah, wait for larger degree pullback before looking to buy in the dips again. And obviously shouldn't try to pick the top here. We are not in the business trying to pick the top in a market that makes new all-time high. All right, so we're gonna keep updating this, of course, in our service. If you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. Here is our website, elliottwave.com. You can try our trial here, or you can also check our plans and pricing, as well as educational classes here. So we got a promotion till the end of the week, so if you want to take advantage of it, then you have only a few days left. All right, so I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.